Hello friends, since I only have one main video this week, I decided to do a shorter, very much shorter second video. I wanted to show some of you who may be new to resin how I finish off my matte pieces. So I've got this matte rose here, and I've got a little bit of resin. It's getting a little warm. Number one, I would not do this without a mask on. If I were you, please do wear your PPE. So because I'm sitting a lot further away from the piece right now than I typically do, I think I'll be fine. So you'll need a little bit of resin, your piece, your mask, absolutely your gloves. Always protect your skin. And then I've also got a couple of, almost called them napkins, paper towels as well to kind of clean off my hands. And you can do this a couple of different ways. You can use a paintbrush. You can use your fingers. I'm just going to use my fingers for this because I don't want to ruin a paintbrush for it. And literally I'm just dipping my gloved finger in and just kind of rubbing it onto the piece. I'm trying to make sure that I get into all of the nooks and crannies of the piece. You can also use for like the smaller bits or the smaller areas that your fingers can't get into. You can use a micro brush for those areas as well. And again, I'm just doing this kind of quick and sloppy because I don't have a mask on, so I don't want to be breathing in this resin any more than I have to complete this piece. I'm making sure I get every single bit of it. Okay. This resin's a little warm because I poured it off from my the resin that I mixed for my skull. So if you saw that video on Thursday, the skull is actually right there. I just poured it. So again, another reason I don't want to be without my mask for too long. But I figured you guys probably might want to see how I do this. Okay. So that's most of it. Just want to wipe off the majority of this because I want to get one of my micro brushes. Where are they? That's the question of the day. Where are the micro brushes? Are they under here? They are. Okay. So gonna grab one of those. So these are the micro brushes. You can get them super cheap on Amazon. I'll actually list them down in the description if you guys would like. So I'm just gonna take off a little bit of this resin. Oh, okay. Caught it. And also move it into these smaller sections down in these nooks and crannies that I can't reach. Right down in here. Okay. And that's all I'm going to do for it. So stay tuned. I know this is a very short video. Stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like once it's cured. But yeah, it's super easy. Like I said, definitely wear a mask. If I was wearing a mask, I would take a lot more time to make sure that everything is good and it's not too thick in certain areas or not covering in others. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And it's going to look nice and glossy and pretty once it's cured. Okay? All right. Now I have to try and take a glove off. There we go. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry this one was short, but again, if you didn't watch Thursday's video with the skull, I am attempting to do some big stuff coming up. So I'm kind of taking my time and pre-planning for all that. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
Giving me wind and